Good morning, children. The lesson direct proportion and inverse proportion is going on, beta, and direct proportion is explained. Okay, so let us solve some questions on direct proportion. So let's see the question. The cost of 13 toys is rupees. Find the cost of 10 such toys. Find the cost of 10 such toys. See, children, what is given in the question? Cost of 13 toys is given and it is 170. If you buy 10 toys instead of 13 toys, that means what? The cost is from 170 to less. So here we reduce the number of toys, the cost will automatically be reduced. Okay, so it is what better? Direct proportion. Okay, so we will make table here. Toys and cost. 13 toys cost rupees 117. So cost of 10 is X. So let's take X is the cost of 10 toys. It is direct variation. So we will cross multiply. Okay. 13 into X equals to 10 into 170. Okay. So it becomes a simple linear equation. And to find the value of this variable X, you have to remove multiplied by 13 from this side. So it goes division. X equals to 10 multiplied by 170, and this multiplied by 13 is divided by 13. 9 so 9 into 10 is 90. So what is the cost of 10 such toys? The cost of 10 such toys is rupees 90. So you have to write the answer in words. Got it, children? Let's take the another question. If 25 apples cost rupees 65, what will be the cost of 45 apples? Okay, now see, children, 25 apples cost rupees 65. Okay, so here we reduce the number of, here we increase the number of apples to 45. So see, 25 cost rupees 65. So instead of 25, if you buy 45 apples, the cost from 65 to increase. Apples cost. Okay. 25 apple cost rupees 65. So cost of 45 apple is X. So let the X is the cost of 45 apple. Direct variation. Okay. That's why we will cross multiply. 25 multiplied by X equals to 45 multiplied by 65. So it becomes a simple linear equation. So to find the value of this X, we will remove multiply by 25 from this side. So X equals to 45 multiplied by 65 divided by 25. Okay, so 5 5s and 5 9s. Now see children, numerator has 9 multiplied by 65 and denominator has 5. See here, you can apply the divisibility for 5. 5 5. Here the unit place has 5 and denominator also have 5. 5 5. 13. Okay. 9 multiplied by 30. So it cost rupees 170. Okay. So what is the value of this 45 apples? It cost rupees 100. So cost of got it, beta? Okay. Now see the another question. Question number 3. The weight of 7 containers of milk of milk is 224 kilograms. Find the weight of 11 such containers. Okay. See, what is question? 7 container weight 224 kg and you have to find the weight of 11 such containers. So it will increase from 224 to, so it is direct variation. Here we will make 2 columns, one for weight and another number of containers. Or you can first write number of containers, number of container, and here you can write weight. Okay. Weight of 7 container is 224 and you have to find the weight of 11. Cross multiply beta. Okay. 7 multiplied by x equals to 224. Okay, x equals to 224 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are. Okay. 224 multiplied by 11. Okay, so x equals to 11 2s are 22, carry over to 33, 34, 35. Okay, so what is the weight of 11 such containers? It is 352 kilograms. Got it, beta? So here I am giving you one question to solve. Okay. Men construct a wall 20 meters long, 20 meters long in a certain time period. Find the length of the same wall at the length of the same wall to be constructed by men in that period. Okay. So what is given in the question, beta? 15 men construct 20 meter long wall. So you have to find what you have to find? Length of the wall constructed by 12 men. See, when men is 15, length of the wall is 20. Now see, it is reduced to 12. That means what? The length of the wall will also be reduced. Got it, children? So here we are stop. You have to solve this question. Okay. So bye bye, beta.